If you have documents or files that you want to put into your cell phone or vice versa, but you don't have a data cable, you must be confused about how to do it, right? One way you can do it is via the WhatsApp application. The way to move the file is very easy. Read this tutorial until the end to find out how. First, open WhatsApp Web on your laptop or computer, then click the plus button next to where we will type a message to someone. Then several options will appear, whether we will send documents or whether we will send photos and videos. Well, there is also a camera icon. If you have a camera on your computer, you can connect it. We can also send contact numbers. For example, I sent a document file. Click Document, then select which document file you want to send, then click Open. You can add a message, then click Send to send the file. Well, how about it? Easy, right? That's how to send files via WhatsApp Web on a laptop or computer. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends. See you in the next video.